Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about tourism and the workers. Now, as you know, Jamaica is expanding rapidly when it comes on to tourism. We're leading the Caribbean in development of hotels, and every year more and more people visit Jamaica. But with all of this development and with the population on the north coast not the largest in Jamaica, you have issues arising re getting workers. So the government or the Spanish hoteliers, they account for over 25%, between 25 and 30% of the hotel rooms in Jamaica, Spanish hoteliers. So they formed an association called Invertel, and they are investing back in Jamaica through training, housing for tourism workers, and a pension plan for tourism workers. Because remember, they have to now entice people to move to these areas and work in the tourism industry because, as we said earlier, there are just so many hotels, so many more under construction, and so many more to come. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on what they plan to do. The largest block of Spanish hoteliers and investors, Inverotel, has indicated their commitment to training, housing, and pension for Jamaican tourism workers. This follows a meeting with Inverotel led by Minister of Tourism Honorable Edmund Bartlett. The meeting was among Minister Bartlett's top priorities while he was in Spain for the FITUR, the largest international tourism fair. The group re-established their support of training and development, housing and pension for hotel workers, and highlighted how critical these benefits are to the overall operation and success. Our workers remain the most important resource in Jamaica tourism. Our workers remain the most important resource in Jamaica's tourism industry. They are the ones who have been able to give us an enviable repeat visitor rate of 42%. Jamaica's tourism workers have hospitality in their DNA and are the reason our visitors have unforgettable and authentic experiences, said Minister of Tourism Honorable Edmund Bartlett. Inverotel are fully on board with training through the Jamaica Center of Tourism Innovation, the training arm of the Ministry of Tourism and Hospitality program provided through the Heart Trust. The GCTI has successfully provided professional certification to over 15,000 individuals, bolstering Jamaica's commitment to human capital development in the tourism sector. The group is also committed to supporting other social initiatives like housing solutions and the current tourism workers' pension scheme. Discussions are also looked at increasing the local supply of goods and services for the group's operations. Inverotel represents the largest block of investment with approximately one-third of our room count. We have a strong relationship that has helped to change the look and feel of our tourism offerings, and so it is critical that the social initiatives for our workers be improved consistently for our mutually beneficial goals, said Minister of Tourism Honorable Edmund Bartlett. This strategic meeting happens annually and is used to discuss new Spanish tourism developments and any gaps that need to be addressed. The minister was joined by John Lynch, chairman of the Jamaica Tourist Board, Ilana Seavright, senior advisor and strategist, and Fiona Finnell, public relations and communications manager, Jamaica Tourist Board. Bartlett was leading a small delegation of tourism officials at FITUR 2024 in Madrid, Spain, a major tourism fair with 8,000 exhibitors, 130 countries represented, and over 300,000 attendees. It represents one of the largest gatherings of tourism professionals globally and is a leading fair for Latin America's receptive and in, in, ensuing markets. Alright, guys, so that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright, guys, have a good day.